Hi to all. First of all, to create H5P interactive session in our Moodle site, in our course page, we have to click on Turn Editing On. Then go to the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar. Under that, go to Content Bank. Click on this Add. Here we'll find interactive video. Click on this interactive video. Then we have to, once we click onto this video, you get here add menu. There we have to create the YouTube link that we have already posted or recorded video that is done using Screencast-O-Matic. Then there we need to add the interactions. Then save it. Once again, go back to your course page. This already I have created this. That's why I have got here already interactive session on women's writings. Once you created here using the interactions, now go to the course page. Then there go to add an activity where you'll find H5P. Click on that. Since I have already done, it is here. I'll go to editing mode. There I'll show you. Here it's updating H5P, an introduction to women's writings. Then here you have already, since we created H5P 1, you can click on this here to upload the file. Already it's there. That's why even how we are uploading the files in the same way, since we created already the H5P video, it is in content bank. From there we need to upload this file and it comes here, and then save and display. There you get here your interactive session where I recorded the video first of all in Screencast-O-Matic. Then using H5P I created the different questions, objective type questions, that is multiple choice, true or false, then fill in the blanks, drag and drop. So various objective type questions are created. So that's how we need to do the video in Screencast-O-Matic followed by H5P activity. Thank you.